we're just here to teach you how to do your ballet bun for your exam or for showtime. So what you're going to need for your ballet bun is a brush and a comb with a sharp edge to make sure you can get the scoring and the pattern of the dancer's heads. You're going to need 2 or 3 bobbles. Make sure they are nice and strong and they're not going to slack and make the hair become loose. You're going to need a hairnet. Make sure it matches your dancer's hair colour. So if your dancer's got brunette hair, you want to see the same colour. If they've got blonde hair, you can get blonde ones. Black hair, you can get black ones. You will also need some bun pins, which are different from Kirby's. So these have the wiggles on both sides of the pin. Alright, and last but not least, you'll need some hairspray or some wet look gel to slick back all of the little wispy bits that come out in dancer's hair. Alright, so I'm going to show you what to do on Imogen here. Imogen, don't give everyone a wave. Good job. Alright, so what you're going to do is you're going to start by just brushing through your dancer's hair, getting all of the knots out, make sure it's super sleek, no tuggy bits, so it's not going to hurt her. Take it back into the bun. Alright, you're going to get your comb, and if your dancer's hair has just been washed, it's going to be super fine. So you want to maybe, before your exam, before your show, just leave it a couple of days without washing it so it's not as soft and fine. It'll be easier to get back up then. Alright, so I'm just going to give Imogen's hair a little spray to start because her hair is super fluffy. I'm just going to, try this way for me. I'm just going to take back this part of her hair. And I want to get a super neat score wherever her hair naturally lies, is right here. Using the end of your comb, just doing that to get a nice line, alright? So just look down to your toes, Amy. She's got a super nice line here. I'm just going to get the brush and pull it all into a ponytail. You can look at that. That's it. And you want your ponytail to be just in line with the top of her ears. So you don't want it to be too low and you don't want it to be up any higher than her ears. Alright, once you've got most of the hair back, sweeping it round. You're going to get your bobble and make sure it's nice and tight. Alright. Let's just do a little circle so you can see. So it's straight back like this. Now to sort out all of these little wispy bits, you're going to want to grab your comb and your hairspray, give it a little spray, that's it, close your eyes, and just sweep it back, alright? It'll go bumpy towards the bobble, but it's alright because your bun will cover that. All back. Pulling it right back into place, making sure it's nice and neat. Oh, gorgeous. Okay, with any little additional bits, you can give them a little stick down and slick back. Lots of hairspray will be needed. Alright, so we're going to want to start to make the bun now. These are our bun pins that I was explaining about earlier. So it has the 2 wavy lines, one at the top, one at the bottom, and these are different from Kirby Grip. So these are better for buns because it holds it in a little bit more. Alright, so once you've scraped back that hair and it's super neat and tidy with no wispy bits, you're going to want to split your ponytail in 2. If your dancer's got fine hair, you might just want to do it with the one part. You're going to twist around one part and start to pin it into place. Amy, do you have a pin for me? And just turn this way for me, Amy. And the way to push this in is to push it through the hair as you're pinning and then back in towards the head, and that'll hold it right in place, and you're going to keep doing this as you go round. And another one, Amy. Thank you. So again, pushing it through back into the head, and it's making it nice and tight. Another one in. Through and back in. And then I'm going to start with the other piece. And we'll start by going around, keep twisting. Good girl. Through and back in, collecting all the hair as we go, making a little spiral shape. One last one. Just like that. Super neat and tidy into the bun. All right, from here we're going to want to pop our bun net on top. Now this bun net is quite a large bun net, it stretches out for those with thicker hair. If your dancer's got quite fine hair and it's quite a small bun, you can just keep looping it over like this. So it's staying in place, tucking the edges right in tight. And get one more on. And then you're going to secure this with more pins. One more pin in me. Thank you. Through and back, and then I'll do the same on the other side just to hold it all into place. Through and back. And Amy, do you want to turn around and face the front for me? And just to finish, we'll just make sure there's definitely no wispy bits with a few more sprays and a few more combs back. And that is our neat and tidy bun for showtime or exam time. Let's give it a little spin, Amy, all the way round, just like that. Good. Well done.